Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kimchi vegetable ramen. We'll start by gathering all the fresh ingredients you'll need for this flavorful dish. Then, we'll walk through the simple steps to prepare your noodles and vegetables perfectly. Finally, we'll combine everything with authentic kimchi to create a warm, comforting, and incredibly satisfying meal that you can enjoy in just a few minutes. Get ready to elevate your ramen experience. For this amazing ramen, you'll need about 100 grams of your favorite ramen noodles. Prepare 200 grams of fresh, mixed vegetables like mushrooms, bok choy, and carrots, thinly sliced for quick cooking. Don't forget 150 grams of good quality kimchi. It's the star. You'll also need 500 milliliters of rich vegetable broth to form the base of our soup. These simple ingredients come together for a truly delightful meal. Let's get cooking. First, bring your 500 milliliters of vegetable broth to a gentle boil in a medium-sized pot. Once simmering, add your 100 grams of ramen noodles and cook them for about 3 minutes or according to package directions. Next, stir in your 200 grams of prepared vegetables and the 150 grams of kimchi. Let everything simmer together for just 2 more minutes until the vegetables are tender crisp. It's that easy. Now for the best part, serving and enjoying your homemade kimchi vegetable ramen. Ladle your hot, fragrant ramen into a bowl. For a beautiful finish, garnish with some freshly chopped green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. If you like a little extra heat, a dash of chili oil works wonders. You can also add a perfectly soft-boiled egg for extra richness and protein. Enjoy your incredibly flavorful and comforting bowl.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.